Huh? What's going on? Uh-oh! I'd better shift my gears. Help!
There you are, Hodge. Come on, we need to practice too.
Drifting! Yippee!
Rattling rivets!
What the blazes is that?
I don't know. I've never seen anything like it.
Wait, it's me, Wilson!
Is that you, Wingnut?
Why are you covered in all that scrap?
I had a run-in with the magnetic crane and now I seem to be a magnet. Help me!
Morgan, you'll never believe it. I found a spare wheel. Fantastic!
Vibration! See? That's how you demagnetize things. If we could just shake you hard enough.
No, I'm getting dizzy.
It's not working, is it?
Sorry, Wind Farm.
Perhaps you'd better go and see Morgan.
All done, Koko.
Fantastic! Where's Wilson? He's still got time to practice.
I'm back.
Wilson?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Special announcement. Proceeding with caution. I hate getting my wheels wet. No! Brakes! Don't fail me now! I'm in trouble!
Arriving at covered bridge. Doors open. Please watch your step. Spindle Hill Station will be the next stop.
Stop number 5, covered bridge. Area clear. Check. And fire! Red for distress. Take action.
Good work, Chug Patroller. Okay, that's it for today.
Are we gonna go rescuing?
Easy, Chugger. We're going patrolling. Let's spit up. Ready to roll? We're
Chug Patrol.
Special announcement. This chugger is out of service. How will anybody find me out here? Help! Help!
Uh-oh. Wilson to Jackman.
Report, Chug Patroller.
There's water in Longlow Tunnel, deep enough to cause problems.
Action needed?
We should close the line and reroute traffic.
Okay, wait there. I'll send Hodge and Eddie. Over and out.
Coming through.
Oh, Morgan! I'll need your help. Sorry, Wilson. You'll have to go and hide somewhere else.
But this is such a perfecto place. Coco's never going to find me here.
Coco's not looking for you. She's miles away.
Really? Oh, I'd better tell Brewster.
Koko! Stop! Koko! The track's closed! Koko! Koko! Oh, no. Koko! Stop!
Yikes!
Koko, what are you playing at?
I'm on level 8, Eddie. Isn't that great?
No, Koko, it's not great.
But-
You're obsessed with that game.
No! Don't take it!
I'm sorry, Koko. It's for your own good. You're not safe on the tracks.
Give me my game, please. I'm so close to beating Hodge's score.
Eddie! Zeffy!
Oh, are you all right, mate?
Yeah, I broke down. I didn't think you'd ever find me.
How could I miss those steam signals? Good thinking, Hodge. I'm proud of you. Oh, looks like you've lost a lot of coolant there, mate. Hey, but don't worry. Eddie's rule, keep you cool. We'll tow you to the show.
It's probably all over now.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. This season's must-have wagon, as demonstrated by Harrison! As demonstrated by Harrison! Where is he? Harrison!
Why are we waiting?
Harrison, you're off!
Not till you apologize.
Fine. I'll model the car myself.
Oh, no, you won't.
Works every time.
Over here, Hodge. We saved your track.
Thanks, Zeffy.
I can't believe you nearly didn't make it.
Me neither. So what was the star attraction?
Dunno. They haven't unveiled it yet.
Oh, terrific.
Harrison's done a disappearing act.
And finally, introducing a revolutionary high-performance passenger carriage with an ultra-responsive secondary air suspension system, the Super Glide 100!
Oh, it's so shiny.
Squirt, 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 squirt. Oh no! Move along, please. Move! I mean, shift it. Oh, bumpers! Those tubs aren't worthy of Frostini's mark of excellence. At least it hasn't started to label. Oh, big bumpers!
Oh, that's not pumpkin ice cream.
I know.
But the label says it is. Uh-oh, you shouldn't have said that, Toot. Said what?
Label! Oh no! Shift!
I don't think they can go to the festival.
Don't worry, the wagon's not there anyway.
So where are they going?
Oh, big bumpers!
Back to work. I hope nothing else will stop me from making my new flavor.
Frostini's gonna blow a gasket. What was I thinking? I can't be in 3 places at once.
With our help, you can. Wilson, you do the mixing. I'll watch the tubs fill, and Hoot can label.
Oh, thanks, you two. I'm sorry I wouldn't let you help earlier.
That's okay.
I wanted to be Frostini's only assistant, but I should have shared the work.
Yeah, 3 chugs are better than 1.
Stop!
Chugginton!